Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online from investing in growing website like Torexo. One of my friends suggested me about this platform. He has already invested in it and getting revenues from it. Torexo offers different types of investment products along a variety of investment terms and goals and also a percent of investment return. The link to this website is available in the video description. Here you can see how does it works. It has 4 steps. We will look at all the steps in the details. Here we also have its light mode and dark mode. You can also select your language from here. The very first step is to register your account here. Click on registration and here enter your email address. Fill the CAPTCHA and accept the terms and condition and click on send code. You will receive the confirmation code on your email. Enter the code here and click on confirm and then click on go to my profile. Here you can edit your profile. You can enter your name and contact information like WhatsApp, Facebook, Skype and Instagram etc. After that click on save. After registration, the first thing you need to do is connect your Telegram account to Torexo. Here go to security and click on get key. Copy this key and open the Telegram Torexo code boot and click on start. To associate your account, paste your key here. Account has been successfully associated. Now go back and you can see connection is active. Here you can also enable the subscription on email and Telegram if you want to get the latest updates and click on save. Now go to dashboard. Here you can see we have top up button, withdraw, transfer, to invest, to register a new partner. And here you can see average daily investment return. If you invest 100 Torexo dollar, you will get the 2% amount of linear bonus. And here you can change its value and you can see the effect that how much addition to daily investment return. Next step is to go to top up in the dashboard and choose the currency that you want to pay with. Here I will buy Torexo dollar using cryptocurrency. Enter the amount of Torexo dollar you want to buy. 1 Torexo dollar is equal to 1 USDT. I want to buy 100 TD. You can buy it with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin or USDT. I will select USDT TRC20 and click on top up. Here you can copy the USDT address to transfer the payment or you can also scan QR code to make the payment. I am going to make the payment from my crypto wallet. After making the payment, click on paid. The funds will be credited to your account. Please wait few minutes here. You will get the notification on Telegram and here you can see your account has been successfully replenished for the amount of 100.98. The total sum of your account is 100.98 Torexo dollar. After funds arrive on your balance, buy your package. For that, go to dashboard and click on buy. And click on confirm. You will receive the confirmation code on Telegram. Enter the code and click on confirm. Now you can see you have successfully purchased an investment of 100 TD. Here you can see my investment package. Go to the investment. Here you can see first accrual date, date of purchase and completion date. The total period is for 220 days. The withdraw process is also very simple. To withdraw funds, go to dashboard and click on withdraw. You can withdraw your funds from here. Minimum withdraw amount is 20 Torexo dollar. You can also participate in the referral program. Referral program is a bonus that partner receives for inviting new partners into Rexo company personally and also for inviting new partners by them. In the referral program, the inviting partner receives a bonus only when the attracted partner creates an investment. To increase a number of available levels, a partner can increase the amount of active investments. So the link to this website is available in the video description, so must check it out. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.